Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong 7, and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to edit and enter your current login method. Now tap on Edit button right next to the delayed one and change wherever you wish to. When you're done, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!